Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we'll be presenting unbelievable modern food industry machines that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing modern food industry machine. At number 1, let's start with the Utex Smart Fish Grater, a game changer in fish processing. This advanced system ensures precise fish grading while minimizing damage. Its dehydration mechanism evenly distributes fish, enhancing efficiency. Equipped with a spray water pump, driving motor, and fish grading gate, it offers top-notch functionality. It efficiently handles diverse fish sizes due to its 4 fish separation channels and DN200 large diameter pipelines. The manual linear actuator allows precise control, while its 316L stainless steel construction ensures durability. Second on the list is the Vivo 4-frame honey extractor, a premium-grade stainless steel honey extractor designed for efficient honey extraction. It features durable construction, making it suitable for both small-scale and commercial beekeepers. This extractor is electric-powered, offering convenience and ease of use. It can handle up to 4 deep frames or 8 medium frames, allowing beekeepers to extract honey efficiently. The stainless steel material ensures durability and hygiene, making it easy to clean after use. With its compact design and electric operation, the Vivo V4E is an excellent choice for beekeepers looking for a reliable and efficient honey extraction solution. Next, we've got the Textor TS700 Slicer by Weber. It's an advanced solution for slicing tasks, featuring high capacity and efficiency. With its involute blade technology, capable of slicing at speeds of up to 1,850 RPM. Its fully open frame construction reduces the need for numerous belts and sensors, simplifying operation and cleaning, all within a compact 4-foot wide chassis. The TS700 offers versatility as it comes with options for automatic and manual loading, Vario grip technology, and interleaving capabilities. Moreover, the TS700 Vario model, with 2 independent feed drives, ensures optimal yields and minimal giveaways for natural and irregular products. Renowned for its high-performance slicing, simple operation, and ergonomic open-frame design, the Weber TS700 Slicer sets a new standard for industrial slicing equipment. Don't miss a beat in the world of powerful machinery. Hit subscribe now and join our community. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing revelations on Mighty Machinery. Keep the excitement rolling. Rev up your excitement for the Bakken BD9, a highly versatile and reliable food depositing machine designed to accurately deposit liquid and semi-liquid food products. Its servo-driven depositing cylinder ensures precise and consistent deposits, making it ideal for a wide range of applications in the food industry. Recipe selection and product changes are easily accomplished using the full-color touchscreen. Its compact tabletop design and depositing volume ranging from 10 to 550 milliliters facilitate quick product changes and fast, easy cleaning. The BD9 is essential for bakeries, confectionaries, and food production facilities seeking efficient and hygienic depositing solutions for various products such as batters, creams, sauces, fillings, and more. At the 5th spot, we've got the Frankomatic Linker LK440, a modern food processing machine renowned for its accuracy and prowess in sausage production. This linker offers seamless linking of sausages with unparalleled accuracy and ensures consistent product quality as it's equipped with advanced technology. Its main features include adjustable linking speeds, customizable portion sizes, and user-friendly controls for effortless operation. On top of that, the increased twister rotation provides 20% more twister speed, which significantly increases production speed and reduces meat leakage, further enhancing its efficiency and performance. With the Frankomatic Linker LK400, food manufacturers can streamline their production processes and meet the demands of modern consumers with ease. Now, meet the Trife Twister Dicer, a pinnacle of food processing technology. This versatile industrial food processing machine is designed for dicing various food products with perfection. It also excels in strip cutting and grading. It boasts an impressive hourly capacity of up to 4 tons, ensuring uninterrupted production even during continuous operation. Its exceptional durability, performance, and user-friendliness set it apart from other machines. Featuring cutting-edge AVS and DHS systems, it ensures top-notch cutting quality, with flexibility for continuous or intermittent cutting and adjustable blade speeds. The optional product quality assurance prevents lubricants from contaminating the cut product. It is economically efficient and offers optimum product compression. Furthermore, the twister ensures impeccable cutting quality while prioritizing operator comfort and easy cleaning. Now we have the RondoBot, a groundbreaking technology for an automated round molding machine designed for the food industry, particularly for the production of round molded rolls, small pastries, and bread. This industrial robot boasts an IP67 protection rating, ensuring durability in various production environments. With its revolutionary multi-phase rounding process, the RondoBot achieves unparalleled precision, replicating manual rounding with 100% accuracy. Its 6 degrees of freedom enable precise molding actions, adapting to dough characteristics seamlessly. The process breaks down rounding into individual phases, optimizing each step for perfect results. Molding speed and parameters are easily adjustable, offering flexibility and control over the production process. Now presenting the Chocolate World M1500 Automatic Tempering Machine. It's a vital component in chocolate production, renowned for its efficiency and high capacity. This machine is engineered to temper chocolate effectively. It ensures the desired texture and appearance for molding or enrobing purposes. It accommodates medium to large-scale chocolate production needs with a generous tank capacity of 88 pounds. Impressively, it can produce up to 331 pounds of tempered chocolate per hour, making it ideal for high-demand environments. Operating on 2 horsepower of power, it can be configured with either 3-phase or single-phase systems upon request. Plus, it features a standard dosing function, providing precise control over chocolate output. Now, brace yourself for the automatic rib puller APR 1500 by FrontMatic. It revolutionizes pork processing with its contemporary technology. It utilizes advanced vision and robotics, complemented by sophisticated computer programming, to optimize rib pulling operations. This innovative solution enhances productivity and consistency by efficiently removing ribs from pork bellies and side ribs. It features the latest vision and robotic systems to ensure precise rib pulling. Furthermore, advanced computer algorithms streamline the rib pulling process and maximize yield for a more consistent final product. At the 10th spot, here is the semi-automatic industrial bread slicer machine by Dovia UAB. It revolutionizes the bread slicing process in industrial settings. It's engineered for high-volume production and offers unparalleled efficiency and accuracy, minimizing manual labor. Its high capacity enables rapid slicing of large bread batches, optimizing production rates. Furthermore, it ensures smooth slicing, maintaining uniform thickness for every loaf, and enhancing product appeal. Its versatility accommodates various bread sizes and types, catering to diverse production requirements. Its durable construction ensures longevity, while integrated safety features prioritize operator well-being. Last but not least, we've got the Surman Conero 5 pasta machine. Designed for specificity, this heavy-duty marvel is the go-to tool for pasta making in various culinary settings. Its 1-horsepower air-cooled motor ensures reliable performance, while its easy-to-use design makes operation a breeze for chefs and kitchen staff alike. From small to medium-sized restaurants, catering businesses, and commercial kitchens, the Surman Conero 5 is the ideal solution for medium-duty operations. With its robust construction and dependable functionality, it not only enhances menu offerings, but also streamlines pasta production processes, allowing for gourmet-quality pasta to be effortlessly crafted with consistency and accuracy in the modern food industry. Now, let's cap off the list with the Ashida Rotary Salad Filler, an amazing system tailored to streamline the grating process with minimal spillage. This system fills trays with minimum spillage by tamping the salad twice to ensure the product is completely in the tray after it's been filled via an Ashida multi-head weigher. It's capable of filling up to 50 trays per minute per lane, accommodating various pack formats ranging from 5 ounces to 16 ounces. This system caters to diverse needs with ease. Its versatility extends to a wide array of applications, including salad, spinach, and lettuce, making it indispensable for food processing facilities and packaging plants. With its advanced technology and adjustable tamping positions, the Ashida Rotary Salad Filler stands as a beacon of efficiency, revolutionizing the filling process while maintaining product integrity and hygiene. And thank you for joining us on Modern Machinery to explore the awe-inspiring world of unbelievable modern food industry machines that are at another level. We hope you enjoyed witnessing this innovative technology and incredible precision showcased by these remarkable machines. Stay tuned for more captivating content as we continue to delve into the realm of modern machinery, uncovering innovations that push the boundaries of what's possible in the food industry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary world of mighty machinery.